When you shoot in manual focus or you have a solely manual focus lens, it's sometimes hard to get the focus where you want it, especially with a camera like the Sony that doesn't have a very good monitor on the back of the camera. Now this is where focus peaking comes in, and it's a guide to help you get your focus exactly where you want it. It's a feature that's come across from videography, and nowadays you'll find it in most mirrorless cameras. Focus peaking is a function where the camera will put colored pixels in the parts of your image that it thinks are in focus. If you have any of the Sony mirrorless cameras, it's known as peaking setting in the menus. On the A7 III, go to tab 1, page 13 of 14, and select peaking setting. I set peaking display on, I have my peaking level to mid, and then I put my peaking color on yellow. You do have a choice of red, white, or yellow. I suggest using just red or yellow, as the white does tend to blend into the background sometimes, especially when you're doing high key images. Now when you switch to manual focus, the camera will show the hard edges that it thinks are in focus by coloring them in yellow in my case. One thing that seems to trick the focus peaking are bright lights and stars. You can see here when I make the image go out of focus, the yellow is still present around the out of focus bright lights. So I tend to turn it off for nightscapes, cityscapes, and astrophotography. But as long as the light is good, you get a good exposure. Focus peaking can really help you when you're using a manual focus lens or you're just switching an auto lens to manual focus and using the focusing dial. For more videos, subscribe and make sure you click on the notification bell. Also, head over to my YouTube channel where I have a growing library of photography and videography tutorials. I'll see you next time.